I'm Tim Jacket, Chief Designer for Tartan Yachts. This is our first Tartan 4000, hull number 1. Always an exciting moment to launch the boat. We managed to get our first sales in yesterday and today, and here to talk briefly about some of the features and things that we did on this boat that we think are special. We call it the CCR rig, which stands for Cruise Control Rig. The concept was our boats tend to be sailed by husband and wife, maybe husband, wife, and kids, another couple on board, but it's short-handed cruising. But we wanted to keep a boat that was easy to handle but efficient with very good performance. Again, our owners tend to be people that have sailed a long time. They value performance. So although you want to make it easier, you don't want to lose the performance aspect. Another thing we focus on is the ability to personalize our boats to the needs of our owners. We tend to have owners that have many years of experience. They've developed some ideas of what they want to do, and they can get into one of our boats, and if they have particular needs, we can accommodate them through what we like to call personalization. The steering system is unique in itself. Twin wheels, we're manufacturing the carbon pedestals out of carbon fiber. Each pedestal is about a 4 to 5 pound molding. Very nice feel, and as far as sailing the boat, the two positions with the twin wheels, both of them, whether to weather or leeward, is a very, very comfortable sailing position.